So I think there is going to be intense focus now. Now I think there is a team which is sitting and working in terms of how to make the entire ecosystem as far as disaster management is concerned, massive pandemic outbreak, how to manage that with stopgap peripheral hospitals, how to utilize hospitals and beds in private medical schools. Our healthcare spending is less than Bangladesh and Pakistan. Can you imagine in a country of this size spends that much? We are from the bottom of GDP expense towards healthcare. We are bottom three in the entire world rating actually. So you can imagine where we are for a country of this densely populated people. So we have significantly not done anything as far as healthcare is concerned, to be more frank,
Right.
because the infrastructure from a government point of view is very, very limited. Private players are playing a major role. Yes, government has got beds, has got infrastructure which they want to create. I think there is time that they should now create a complete model out of it. If you, I don't know whether you're privy to it, there is a Boer committee report which has been created way before, I think after independence. That committee report actually says how a healthcare infrastructure should be in India. So it's a Boer committee report. It's known as written by Dr. Boer. So that committee report actually creates a structure: primary health system, secondary health system, tertiary centers, referral hospitals, how the whole system works, and that is implemented for 10 years initially, and it was forgotten. So whatever development has happened in healthcare in terms of an infra development from an organized way of developing, what we are trying to do is government jumps up suddenly and says that we will make 10 all India institutes in 10 cities, but there is no plan towards it in terms of whether there is a overall approach towards how the population is going to be serviced. So that's how. So I think there is going to be intense focus now. Now I think there is a team which is sitting and working in terms of how to make the entire ecosystem as far as disaster management is concerned, massive pandemic outbreak, how to manage that with stopgap peripheral hospitals, how to utilize hospitals and beds in private medical schools. So all these things is coming, becoming as one integrated system, and government is working on it. And we are glad that there is a focus back. Actually, that's very important. That was much needed. So it's coming back to focus. I'm sure that will be much better next 5 years.